After all this, you actually think that I'm hiding real feelings for you? Every time I touched you or smiled at you, it was a lie, part of my performance.
Wanna run away together?
Poor naive boy. You never learn.
Reze! Wait! Don't go! I'll wait for you at the cafe! I'll be there for lunch, okay? You better come!